Hey there 3D printing enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today is an exciting day because we're unboxing the latest marvel from Anycubic, the Mono-X2. My name is TK and without further ado, let's dive right in. This is the box the Anycubic Mono-X2 comes in. Just by looking at the box, you can see that it's a pretty big printer. I will be using my handy pocket knife to cut off the tape. The four corners of the package are very well protected by these plastic brackets. Let's remove these corner brackets first. We are greeted with a styrofoam which looks like a smiley face. That's pretty neat, Anycubic. That's the Anycubic X2 pulled out of the box. Now once you remove the top styrofoam cover, what's left is the base of the Anycubic Mono-X2. Now before we get into in-depth information about the base structure, let's see what's included in the other half of the package. Now this is the other half of the package. This is the top cover of the printer, and then attached to the top cover they had some quick instructions of how to set up the printer. Getting to the rest of it, we have the build plate, then we have the VAT screen here, the VAT tray is made out of steel, which is good. It does come with the protective plastic cover which needs to be removed before using. Lastly, there's a box in here which consists all the accessories you need to operate this printer. What's included in the box are a scraping tool, a screen cleaning cloth, a pair of gloves, some screws, some Allen keys, a USB and a QC card, the power supply, a mask, and a metal scraping tool to remove your project from the build plate. Here we have everything we need to get started, from the resin vat to the tools to post-processing. Anycubic has truly thought about everything. Now that we've unboxed everything, it's time to set up this beauty and put it through its paces. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos where we'll be testing out the Mono-X2 and showcasing its impressive capabilities. Thanks for joining us on this unboxing video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Until next time, happy printing!